How to mount oscillating knife bit to bit holder. Identify the type of oscillating knife bit you need. Check if the knife edge length is over the material thickness. Secure the oscillating knife bit in the tool. Rotate the knife holder to the position right function. Then, insert the bit to it carefully. Screw it to hold the bit in place. Test the oscillating knife bit to make sure it is secure. Do this running the tool at a lower speed and making a few cuts in a piece of scrap material. Then, foam sheet cut starting. Prepare the EVA foam sheet. Make sure the sheet is clean and free of debris. Set the oscillating knife to the correct speed. The speed of the tool will depend on the thickness of EVA foam sheet. Put the EVA foam sheet to work surface. Absorbing with a pump, which can hold the sheet from moving while you're cutting it. Import the program file to the control system, which has set the exact shape and size. Use the oscillating knife bit to cut the EVA foam sheet. Remove the sheet from the work surface. The benefits of digital cutting machine for EVA foam sheet cutting it is precision. Digital cutting machine will cut EVA foam sheet with high precision. This is important for applications where the dimensions of the EVA sheet are critical, such as in manufacturing footwear and other products that require a close fit. Efficiency. Digital cutting knife machine will cut the EVA foam sheet quickly and efficiently. This makes them a cost-effective option for manufacturers who need to produce a large number of EVA foam sheets. If you're looking for a precise, efficient, and versatile method of cutting EVA foam sheets, then a digital knife cutting machine is a good option for you.